Med Tech is a college preparatory program. Nearly all of our kids will go on to college. What it does is expose them to the healthcare career. One of the best things about medical technologies is the fact that most of our kids come into the program thinking they want to do one thing in medicine, and then they get to explore it. They get to learn what interests them. They get to meet healthcare professionals and ask them questions, and they get a totally new direction.
My favorite part of this program has been learning so many new things about the career that I want to go into, and it really solidified that I want to be in healthcare.
So junior year of medical technologies focuses on introducing students to healthcare. So going through the basics, going through basic anatomy. And we do a lot of project-based learning, like first aid. We make videos and we do lots of diagrams and team building. We are also lucky enough to have an anatomage table for learning, so we can start dissecting and looking at the anatomy of cadavers electronically.
Senior year, we have it split into semesters. So the senior year of medical technologies, I teach lifespan development. Part of lifespan development is the internship program. Our internship program is truly unique because we put seniors in high school at the bedside of patients with various healthcare members. It's a 10-week internship, and it's so fun to watch the students grow from one day, the first day, to the last day.
Students should enter our classroom with a basic knowledge of the sciences. We prefer students to have taken a biology course, have good reading proficiency, have good math proficiency, and we want students that are engaged and ready to learn.
I think, internships is a really fun experience for our kids. I really believe that it just gives them such a wonderful experience at the bedside, working with other healthcare members, and really seeing the way the teamwork aspect comes about, and in learning to talk to patients. I always told them one of my favorite parts of my job was patient communication. So to see them be worried to talk to a patient and then have that comfort at the end, it's pretty amazing.
I feel like this class really taught me how to study for things that I will actually need later in my life, and a career that I definitely want to pursue. When
you come into MedTech Day 1, be prepared to learn. Be willing to open your mind, and be prepared to put in hard work and put in effort. Don't be apathetic. Actually care about what you're learning, because what you're learning is to save patients' lives.